Hey guys, happy Friday. Listen guys, the weather here is yucky. We're expecting some horrible weather, but I still wanted to jump on really quick while I am in my office wrapping up a few things. So here's what I want to talk about today, and let me explain to you why. This is really, really cool too. So this is why it helps to have people in your circle that have your best interests at heart, because they are always thinking about things that are going to make you better as a whole. Not just on the business side, but even on the health side. So this morning, I got a call from one of our great sisters in the group, Miss Kimber Azor, who is a dead strong vegan, right? And so I hear her talk about this vegan stuff all the time, and I listen to it. And of course, I respect everybody for their differences and whatever else. So in my mind, she was enjoying it. It's working for her. I love it. I respect it. I cheer her on, but I had never tried it. So this morning she calls and she tells me, listen, are you going to be at your office today? Because I have a treat for you. So Kimber does one-on-one consultations and coaching for people that desire to start having or eating a vegan diet, a vegan lifestyle, that kind of thing. And not only does she meal prep, she actually shows you how to prepare some of the stuff yourself. So she shows up today with a great treat for me. And look, I had to share it with you guys. Look at it. It's on my desk. Look at this. And when I say it's good, guys, it is good. And here's the deal. If I had not tried this, I would not have known how good it was, right? Or how good it could be. And so the point of me actually even telling you guys about this today is this is a great example about don't knock something until you try it. Right? So do I do everything right eating wise? Of course not. And the deal is this. Our health is connected to our wealth. And so even if we're not doing it right all the time, the idea is that at least we do some things so that we create a balance. This is a balance for me, right? Because guess what? Earlier today, I drank a cold drink. And that's not a great idea, but this kind of helps me create a balance and start to begin making healthy lifestyle choices. Tasting something I had never tasted, not only tasting it, but I like to understand what's behind it. What are the ingredients? How are they better than what I'm already consuming? That's all part of me learning. That's what allows me to be able to continue giving you guys what I'm giving you, right? I got to be healthy to be able to do that. We got to be healthy to get these promotions we want to get, to be able to open these businesses and sustain them. We have to be healthy. It's not just about chasing the money. How are we going to feel good enough to be able to continue running the race? Where does the energy come from? Where does the stamina come from, right? We have to be able to make some better choices. So this is part of the beginning of me making some better choices. But the biggest part of it is being educated about it. So I'm excited that Kimber is right here in our local area. Hey, Kimber.
Hi.
She's right here in our local area, and she is able to create an awareness about this vegan lifestyle, and not only create the awareness, but to show us how to prepare it. Because I wasn't raised doing this kind of stuff, right? I was raised right here in South Louisiana, eating and drinking everything I wanted to eat and drink. And so that's just what I know. That's what I'm accustomed to. Although I have a very eclectic palate, I still have a very, very narrow, in my opinion, I guess what you would call exposure to different foods and different lifestyles and ways of eating, right? Just because where we grew up, we did it one way, and that's just kind of what everybody did with, varying things as it related to maybe seasoning and that kind of thing. But for the most part, it was still very unhealthy. In fact, I lived away for some time, and during that time was when I lost most of my weight. I was able to develop a more eclectic palate as it relates to the taste of things. But I promise you, the moment that we moved back to Louisiana, I was right back to square one, eating and drinking what I was accustomed to eating and drinking. But now that I know better, I'm going to attempt to do better, right? So I had to share this with you guys really quick today. Make sure you stay connected to Kimber. She shares a lot of recipes. She shares different things, different knowledge about this whole vegan lifestyle. And guys, it tastes good. I'm so excited that I tried it, gave it a chance. And you're going to hear more from me about this part of my journey because, again, my journey is not just about chasing money. My journey is about health and wellness and abundance full circle 360, hence the name Ibrandyou360, because it's all connected. But nonetheless, guys, stay tuned for this journey. Reach out to Kimber if you want to know more about this. I'll be sharing some of the stuff that she teaches me how to cook, and I might even do a party coming up soon where we can maybe learn together, because I do better when I learn in a group. But nonetheless, look, guys, stay safe out here in the weather. Love each one of you big, big. Try to take control of your health little by little so that we can all stay together and really win big. Love you big, big, big. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.